I'm sewing cherries on a shirt with bows. I don't want it to look dumb, like this shirt looks like it belongs blah 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 blah. This shirt might belong. I can't do it. What actually made me want to put cherries and bows on a shirt? And I can tell you it's not my love for cherries. However, it might have started with my love for bows. I have some extra cherries from this purse that I made. How would those look on this shirt? Okay, I'm really terrified this is gonna look kind of dumb, but we're gonna do it anyway. Is that gonna look dumb? Because as I was thinking about how this might look in my head, I'm like, I'm gonna be walking around looking like an actual freaking picnic basket. But you know what? Maybe I don't hate it. Who doesn't love a good picnic? Is there a nice big stain right here? Yes. How to tie a bow. Start there. This doesn't feel like the cheapest ribbon I've ever bought. Thanks, Amazon. Back to making bows. Hot diggity dog, I just made a bow. Hot diggity dog, I just made a bow. What do we think? I officially have my 2 bows, and now I just have to figure out where I'm putting them. Now, as you may recall, one of my biggest fears with this project is that it was gonna look like a school project. So the last thing you think I would do is glue the bows on. However, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gluing the bow on. I am gluing the second bow on. I'm not gonna lie, I am kind of digging this. 2 bows, still 1 stain. Still think that this is too long, so I'm gonna have to find the perfect length, but also I needed to cover the stain. And may the ribbon cutting ceremony commence. I better not, and I mean better not, cut these ribbons too freaking short. Because because honestly, that would just be like a bad bang cut. You know what I'm talking about. Number 1 key to success to getting these cherries sewed on the best, success for the best, is all dependent on what thread you use. You can see that the cherry tops are like a dark green, and that's what color thread I want to pick out. Probably best to go into this with a game plan. So I'm gonna lay out my cherries and see what I like best. Not trying to overwhelm with the cherries here. I literally look like a picnic on 4th of July. Okay, listen, if I can leave the house wearing a shirt that has bows and cherries that I sewed on myself, you can leave the house looking just a little bit extra too.